Hello and welcome back to another RV walkthrough. My name's Taylor Quayle. We're here at Padada RV Center in Tucson, Arizona. Today we're looking at a beauty. This is a 2013 Tiffin Phaeton 36GH. 36 foot 9 inches, 388.3 liter Cummins, 4 slides. God, it's a nice coach. So we're gonna give it the 4 corners look, check out all the compartments, the roof, and then jump inside. About time. Sorry about that sun glare. This coach just came in a couple days ago. We haven't even cleaned it. I want you to see how clean it is when it comes in. And you'll see a couple window awnings, like there's one right there on that slide. I don't have enough room to get it out. And same with your main awnings on the other slide. It was a little windy earlier. It looks like it died down. All right, let's open up these compartments, see what this coach has to offer. All right, let's look at the gen set first. Cummins own an 8,346.1. Look at that air horn. That was an option in this year for this coach. All right, we're going to start on the passenger side front. Of course, you got your entry door right here. Your 22.5 Toyos, 295/75Rs, and I'll show you a day code on the rear. On your slide, you do have an outdoor TV and a sound bar. And your awning for this is a Carefree armless, as you can see right there. And it will come out dramatically further than how close this coach is. But we are a little windy, so I didn't want anything to affect it. Hydraulic pump, propane. One of your slide out tray, well, your only slide out tray. You couldn't do 2 in this coach because of the size, but this will go both ways. And then you got your ladder extension, couple extra pieces of tile. Water heater on this slide. And your Toyos 0120, so they're about 2 years old. And this is on that Freightliner chassis. Of course, your def, and just a small little compartment there. Now this is a rear radiator. £10,000 hitch on the back. Psych, 12,000. No, what's that say? Gross trailer weight. Okay, weight distribution. So 10,000 pounds. Now, let me put this on pause, go snag the ladder extension and jump up. My gosh, it is bright up here. So I do have the AC is blaring because it is hot here in Tucson. Double ACs, you can see your dome satellite system, local TV antenna, and a couple fantastic fan covers. Slide toppers on the front, sorry about the wind, are black. The ones in the rear are beige, surprisingly enough, a little different. All right, continuing on here. Access point for some technicians. A couple chassis batteries, no reel for your 50 amp power service. Your dump station, water pump, whole coach water filter, soap dispenser. I love this. Nobody likes doing the job. Make it as clean as possible. Right, other side of that pass-through storage without the slide. And you see your vacuum mount there to the right. And then that slide, which will come out, like I said, both ways, and your big ol' inverter. This does have a residential fridge. One of the main reasons for that inverter. And then you got 6 batteries in here, all your house batteries. And look at that, nice wiring guide. And then a couple fuses, windshield wiper fluid, your gen release. Fuel fill is right here on the driver's side. And your side vision cameras, I mean your side mirrors do have side vision cameras. My gosh. All right. Let me get the rest of those compartments shut and we'll jump inside. All right, before we jump inside, I want to show you the differences in fronts between a 2010 and a 13. So both of these coaches, this 13 and then this 2010 42-foot Phaeton, see, it's just a much more aggressive, meaner look up front. I love the faces of the newer ones. And then, you know, the newer they get, that Integra's a 2019, all your LEDs and craziness. But great looking front on this coach. You do have 2 steps that come out nice and wide. Looking up in here, you do have a drawer and a pull-out step, electric step. And of course, some of your controls right there walking in. And that is your first peek at it. Let me go stand all the way in the back where you can see me all the way in front of that mirror. All right, standing in the bedroom. Vanity commode on the left. And there we are. It's a great little floor plan for the year. Let me shut this door so we don't hear that gen set. Okay, so we're gonna start right up front. Passenger seats, they both have covers on them because, of course, you have a little bit of the flaky peeling leather on that. It is just on these front 2 chairs. The rest of the coach looks really good. Like I said, there's a step cover there, and passenger does have a little table workstation. And they do also have an extension for your leg. And these are 8-way seats, both powered, driver and passenger. Passenger fan, panel lights, and then your step cover. Nice and slow, but it does come out, and it is solid. And then over on the driver's side, HWH leveling systems. Like I said, air horn, which was an option in this coach. 3000 series Allison. We got your pedal movements. We're going to start this bad boy up. Show you the miles. 49,033. Like I said, a 380 Cummins. And then all your other little controls, fans, covers, shades, your solar shade, and then your night shade. Shades on either side for the driver or passenger are manual. See your little tabs to pull them. All right, let's look at some of the cabinets. Not much up there. Usually you start seeing a lot of satellite stuff in there. And a lot of these are just small little cabinets that are empty. Power hookups. We won't look at every single one, but we'll look at a few, and especially this one because this one's important. Double awning control, door for your main awning, and then your door awning, wine guard satellite, all your fun level testers, 2 slide controls, and your inverter. All right, let's continue on. We're gonna start on the passenger side slide. This slide is located, follow the crown molding all the way to right there past the fridge. I love the entertainment location for your TV and fireplace. Fireplace on the TV was also an option. And then you'll see throughout this whole coach extra insulation that they did. And then those 3 are going to be connected. This dinette was also an option. You're freestanding with all your built-in cabinetry. If you've seen this cabinetry once, you've seen it 1,000 times. It's all the same. Now I can't remember, let's see, does this bad boy pull out anymore? It does, so it gives you a little bit more room there. One thing, I didn't locate 2 extra chairs, so you have the extension, but you may have to get 2 additional chairs. Take a quick peek at my printouts, give you an idea what this thing has to offer. I did also highlight the actual options in this coach if you are interested in pausing it and reading about them. And then finally, your exact floor plan is, let's see if we can try to get this centered a little bit. There you go. All right. Lots of cabinetry, good amount of storage, electric fridge. Like I said, it is a Maytag. It does unfortunately have 1 dent there, 1 dent down there, but it does have water and ice in the door, which is always a plus. And of course, being a French store, you got your bottom little dent on the handle too. Oh, that's nice and chilled still. All right, so that is the passenger side. There's nothing else until you get to the bathroom right there. Push this bad boy in. We'll flip her around. All right, so your other slide, it's about the same size, a little bit shorter, starting there all the way down to right there, right in front of that wall. This is a true 2-person coach. There's no additional sleeping in here. I mean, you know, you can always get drunk enough and sleep right there and be fine, but Nice big storage there. These are electric. They open with a button. Slow, but they do have a light inside too, which is nice. And you could, this was changed after the fact, I'm sure, because you have so much space in between the couch and of course your slide. You could fit something else in here, a 3 cushion, a sleeper, really whatever you want. Up above, lots of cabinetry, 4 separate sets of cabinets that, once again, they should all be connected. I'd be surprised if they weren't. Yeah, all connected. Very nice, good amount of storage, to say the least. Moving on over into the kitchen. This kitchen is where Tiffin likes to get fancy with it. So you got little pull-out drawers all over the place. Makes things very nice. Convection microwave, because there is no oven. And then one more nice, big, wide pull-out. Real backsplash. Corian solid surface countertop. Soap dispenser. Oh, baby left side of the sink, but your right side is a much bigger and nice and deep. Now Tiffin's doesn't like using pull shades. They have pretty much chains on every shade in here, day and night. It is less to go wrong, so I don't mind it, but it is a little bit more of a pain. It's scary with these heavy tops. And 3 burner stove top, and then check this out. I love that. And then 2 additional drawers right here. Nobody ever thinks of a good area for a trash can. And then of course, you gotta have the extension. And just look how deep that is. And then that is insane. I love it. Looks like you do have a little gouge there on that pull out. You know, for something already 10 model years old, it's in pretty dang good condition. little shower handle, or what am I trying to say, towel. Right there is an area for your Corian tops, well, at least the sink ones. And then silverware, a couple more drawers on top of that. There you go. That is the main galley of this 13 Tiffin Phaeton. It's beautiful. I love the TV viewing location for the year. Now, moving on into the back, of course, rear bedroom back there, right before you do have your bathroom vanity and shower door. We do have some pocket doors right here, and one additional pocket door right here. So you can give yourself a master suite, or if you have people traveling with you, sleeping on that couch after a couple bottles, they can use it too. So your bathroom has lots of storage, surprisingly enough. The same kind of solid surface and backsplash throughout. And then of course, a little medicine cabinet, nice and deep. A little bit darker down there, but then you also got 3 additional drawers. Lots of storage in the bathroom, surprisingly enough, and we're not even done. Commode right behind this door. And it is a little tight with the shower in here, but at least you have a good angle on the toilet, so your legs aren't going to just be hitting something. Once again, solid surface, backsplash, decent sized sink, not much storage there, but I always love how they do that. Make you think it's a lot bigger. And of course, fit a couple rolls of TP up in there. Fantastic fan in here. Oh, put that bad boy back up. There we go. It does have a nice cover too. Makes it really dark in here. Woo! All right. A little tight in the bathroom, but you know, when you have a 36-foot diesel pusher, can't complain too much. Let's lock that. And then you do also have 2 additional very small little, I was thinking of what I would put in here, and I don't know, I mean, things for the bathroom, makeup, you know, extra body wash, who knows. All right, so your bedroom, slide, looks like it's about 3 feet, comes in completely and does pretty much cozy up against this other slide, which bathroom is not part of the slide. It is right here to right there. So your little 32-inch TV, you should know what this is. Laundry, good for dirty clothes. 4 of those drawers. Got a washer and dryer behind here. It's not a pull, it's a slide. I can just imagine people breaking them. Now, my other complaint I have, it's a small one, but I'm very surprised. So you do have a fan in here. Control for the fan is right there. Unfortunately though, if you are just my height, which is 5'9" or taller, if you jump up on here, you're right at the blade height. So keep that in mind. We'll keep the shorties on the left side. You do have a queen 60 by, I think it was 60 by 80 in here, foam mattress, Tempur-Pedic. You could put an air mattress in here if you wanted. That was an option. Once again, overhead storages, all connected. And then just to the right, you do have, and left, you have power hookups, little baby kind of cabinets, and then, I don't even know if you can see that, but small storage under there. There is also some under bed storage. And then finally, you got your wardrobe closet. Give it a good tug. Not the biggest wardrobe with the full stack washer and dryer, but definitely not bad. Oh, so there you guys go. $179,995, 2013 Tiffin Phaeton 36GH. Now, of course, you got to see this bad boy in travel mode. Let's put all these slides in and see how it looks. All right, slides are in, nice and deep on both sides. Still got a complete walkway, can still recline on the couch, watch TV, get heated by the fireplace. Extension will be kind of hard to access, but your fridge, you will have to sidestep it. It does have complete open ability though. And I did lie to you guys, I am so sorry. I did not think the bathroom was part of the slide, or at least the vanity. It is. So this whole wall comes in right there. And as you can see, your bedroom slide is also in. You still can't get to the bed. You can still get to the bathroom and wash up if need be. Kitchen's a little tight for the fridge, but that's really about it. So there you guys go. I hope you enjoyed. Let's give you a quick peek from the outside too. I'll let you guys go. Oh, you sons of guns. Where's my step button? Oh well. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, leave me a comment down below. A link to our website plus all my contact info will be in the description box down below. Thank you so much for viewing, guys. Hope you all have a great day.